predicting instead of talking a lot more. Let's get straight into match number 1, game number 1, RRQ Hoshi versus Geek Fam.
Yes, look at that. I had them with this Bane, but I have my own opinion.
Tell
I
me.
think RQ will see they will. I think they can get this game quite
Yeah.
easy because even though you bring this game into the late game,
Uh-huh.
Fam, maybe they only have this Bane for
This
the
Bane?
scale heroes. But meanwhile, RQ Hoshi, they have a lot. They have Alice, they have this Matilda, and even though Baxia, they
Yeah,
will
this
be more
Alice.
tanky, into the late game.
Yeah, I think
Exactly, and this is
that
the thing
makes sense.
though. If you do pick Sylvana and Valor, are you sure you can be doing this? Like,
yeah,
it's going to be countered instantly.
Yep.
And there you go, Shalini comes in first, blood gets taken down, and that's going to be another kill. That's going to be 2 kills for the side of RRQ Hoshi. Again, you cannot rush a Matilda and a Ling, especially with the high loss, especially with the rotations coming
Yeah.
in from that Baxia. It's just
Ooh.
going to be kind of fatal. But with that roam, Renvi got like literally half of that turret.
yeah,
Yes.
I mean, very, very
Into the
active.
composition, actually, Geek Fam, they have this split push strategy.
Yep, yep.
Coming from Geek Fam, they have this Benedetta and also maybe Paquito if they want to do the sideline push here. Because for me, RQ Hoshi, they're coming with maybe team fight, 5 versus 5 team fight composition.
True.
Meanwhile, Geek Fam, maybe they want to do some skirmish with
Yeah.
RQ Hoshi because they really have to avoid. In my own opinion, they have to avoid 5 versus 5 team fight with RQ Hoshi because definitely maybe they can lose the team fight.
Yeah,
Yeah.
especially in the early game where this Bakshia's pressure is just everywhere.
Very, very active Baksha here we see from R7. Likes to clear and roam, but
Yeah.
we see the pressure turtle, first turtle coming from Geek Fam actually.
Exactly. Look at that. The final blow being used onto that turtle is going to try to secure that turret, but look at this. The turtle
my
has been
God!
spotted by Ling. Albert uses attempts to blaze. Now the Defiant Sword comes in. He's going to get stunned a little bit first, though. He will be able to
Oh.
find another kill. That's going to be a turtle for the side of RRQ, and it's going to be another kill.
Yikes.
That's a double kill coming from Albert. Do you really want to give this man 3 kills and a turtle?
Oh my God! It's a disaster basically coming from Geek Fam right now, losing the turtle and losing 3 members,
Yeah.
almost 2. I think 3 there. Double kill for Albert though.
Again, as we mentioned before, Gani, you mentioned that in the early game, RRQ has the better early game. But look at this, instantly
Oh.
Skylar coming in, and look at that glorious path coming in. But it doesn't look like they will
R7.
be able to follow up. Again, R7 with the insane rotations coming all the way from the top side. Obviously, with that Baxia, he is able to do it very fast. But I do want to mention this. Geek Fam, they kind of force that turtle, right?
Yeah.
They do not have the better early game against RRQ Hoshi.
It's a gamble
Yeah.
basically.
Especially with the rotations coming in from R7, right? Paquito doesn't roam as fast as a Baxia, so they really need to pay attention there. Look at this, they're looking for a fight.
Oh my
Circle Eagle
God.
comes in, and Tempest of Blaze just gonna take a
Oh.
mega kill, and there's gonna be 2 more kills coming to the side of RRQ. It looks like they're just kind of unstoppable right
Oh
now
my
as they're
God.
looking to take this purple buff.
Yeah, we're not even entered the 4th minute and the gold lead is already 2K, almost 3K here. RRQ showing their dominance in the early stages here. Jesus.
Yeah, an amazing display of like literally dominance right here from RRQ Hoshi. They're able to completely nullify
Yeah.
the 5 melee picks. I mean, yeah, the 4 melee picks coming in to
It's
try to
hard.
counter that Ling. So far, he's 4-0-2. It hasn't worked that well. You know, Sylvana is supposed to counter the Ling, but
Uh-huh.
Yep.
I guess Albert just keeps on finding the timing to
Yeah.
get that. But look at this, another
Another.
kill. Looks like
My
Circling Eagle will be
God.
used, and bang, 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 just like that,
Pretty
another kill.
one-sided, guys.
Yeah.
I
Pretty
can see
one-sided.
here, and even though look at the RQ Hoshi, they are leading the network here with even like almost 2K.
Yeah.
And Albert has 4 kills
4 kills.
and 3 assists. So
Ling in the early stages.
Oh my God.
Ling-
And another team fight. Geek Fam, really?
Oh, it's
Albert's looking for another kill. He
easy.
goes in. The Defiant Sword will come
For
up to
Albert,
secure that, but
yeah.
no, R7 will be able to secure that one. Baby U now trying to run away. Cycle will kind of wait. He's gonna go in full on right here. Circling Eagle being used. Final
Whoa,
blow to counter that.
yikes.
Baby U gets taken very low, but
Oh,
he still
this
survives.
Ling.
Look
But
at that thing, he's
Albert,
coming.
he's looking for a kill right here. I think Baby U is just gone. Right, he's just gonna get. Oh wow! He actually survives that. Wow.
Yes. Look at it, Zunzun. He really did a good body block just now
Yep.
to protect Bebu. And yes, like Araki Hoshi, we've seen a lot of movement coming from Albert here. We are seeing that he's not stopping.
Yeah.
Once he got the purple buff, he just used the Finn's voice just to move around the map here, trying to get the objective as soon as possible. Want to finish this game as soon as possible as well. And Geek Farm, yeah, it's pretty sad because actually they have Benedetta, they have Sylvana. If maybe Geek Farm, they can just walking like 3 of them,
Yeah.
trying to gang this lane.
Uh-oh.
In
This
the
is
early
their
stage,
chance
it
to
will
go
be
in. Imperial
great,
Justice
yeah.
has been used, and look at the glorious pathway being used. And Tempest of Blades in the backside will be able to be used, but it's going
Oh,
to be
Finn?
used to get away, as now Vin gets
Uh-oh.
targeted by Ren V. Psycho
Psycho.
here is there to try to defend him. Skylar with no mana will be able to get out of that, but look at Albert. He's just chilling in that bush.
He's just chilling, waiting for the right moment, and
Oh,
this is it,
there
Mirko.
it is. You use it a Defiant Sword all the way to Zuns. Now Zuns gets taken very low, gets taken down. That's going to be unstoppable. And Albert jumps over to Frizz.
Oh
Another jump
my
coming in with the
God.
Circling Eagle. Will he be able to
Ooh.
get it? Bang! He will. That's going to be
Oh.
10-1. Another very, very good trade-off coming in from RRQ Hoshi.
This is why Matsula got a lot of Vayne though.
Exactly.
Because, you know,
She's
the
so annoying.
annoying, right? With the Soul Bloom,
The
the
damage.
Yes, the
Oh
thing is-
my god, look at that
Baby.
damage coming in. The final blow
Oh,
will be
the
used,
juke.
but it won't be enough as now Matilda, nope, Albert will get the monster kill. 6-0 now.
Oh my god, I
Yikes.
think it's kind of nightmare for Geek Farm. They cannot counter this link. I mean, like their Hello Hero only one. It's coming from Sylvana.
Exactly.
And the problem is he really needs to commit when he wants to use that Imperial Justice towards this link.
Yeah.
And it's not really an easy things to do though.
Exactly. I mean,
So mobile.
Sylvana targeting Ling is not a very, very easy job.
Yeah,
Per se.
especially Albert's link, right?
Exactly,
It's not just
Albert's
any
link.
link, it's the best link in the
Uh-oh,
FPL. Look at this
here it
Albert
is.
going in, but maybe a little bit too aggressive there. The
Tempest of
Tempest of
Blades.
Blades being used, Defiant Sword will
He
be used to
gets-
get away.
He gets the
And he
orange
gets
buff.
it.
Yeah,
Wow.
and he's still
Oh
able
my
to
God.
survive, guys.
Exactly. Not just survive, also stealing
Wow.
that orange buff. Great calculation from Albert.
Yeah, great calculation. He was able to use the Tempest of Blades to run away. I thought he was going to like instantly run away, but he actually was able to get the orange buff first.
Yeah,
Exactly.
he calculate everything though here.
Yeah, he's 3 levels ahead of Baby U.
Yeah.
He's taken both buffs from Baby U. He has 4 buffs right now. And it's just looking so dominant from the side of Araki Hoshi. They already have a 6,000 gold lead. Coming in 7,000 gold lead. My bad. Wow.
Wow, 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 look at that. And another ganking actually will come from RQ as soon as possible because
Exactly.
this Albert trying to maybe move into the bottom lane here, trying to wait for R7. No, because Finn is already opening an initiation at the top lane just now. He's trying to push Renfi back, and I think yeah, it's pretty hard for Giffen because they
It's
have
hard.
to at least making a split push strategy here, but it doesn't work really well for Geek Fam.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
hard because the composition
Oh,
itself.
look at him. The
Yeah.
man, the myth, the legend. Albert right here. Look at the head-to-head. Albert versus Baby U.
Ooh, 5th and 10th spot for KDA, and an average GPM for jungler, 700-ish
Yeah,
per
from
game.
this game, we can see that Albert is definitely the more aggressive player.
yep,
He's
yep.
definitely the more... he's also the more flashy player, it looks like, from this game, right? Because Baby U has been completely shut down
Yeah.
by Albert, by Psycho, by RRQ Hoshi.
Yeah, I think from the first game, Geek Fam, they just they maybe took a lot of risk because they are banning 5 supers here.
Uh-huh.
So they
Yeah.
open a lot of overpowered, maybe
Uh-oh.
efficient
Circle Eagle
heroes.
comes in and look at that. The damage is just insane. Even though they didn't get any kills, wait, Albert is looking to go a little bit, maybe too
Uh-oh.
aggressive there. Even though they didn't get any kills, they were
Yeah.
able to get the turret with that play, right? They were
Mhm.
only using the abilities to siege the turret.
Yes, and they 10k gold differences
so
right
hard.
now. Yeah, RQ Host is still leading,
Yikes.
and that's really a huge
Yeah.
damage coming from 3 members of Geek Fam.
Another orange buff, another purple buff for Albert.
Albert.
He's
Yep.
still such a menace right here. Like, I mean, just look at the gold.
Look at
Baby
the
U
gold.
is sitting at 3,700. He
Almost
is,
half of Albert's goal.
yeah, Albert's been stealing everything from him. You know, this guy, this is illegal, right? Stealing is illegal, Albert. Shouldn't be. I mean, Imperial Justice comes
Uh-oh.
into Albert, but
Yikes.
he's just too slick. Again, it is not just any link.
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
Albert's link. It's the
hard.
100%.
It's totally different links than others. Then this is why RQ Hosi they're so much comfortable and even pretty
Oh my God.
confidence with this link
Yeah.
for Albert. So no matter what meta actually is happening right
Exactly.
now, RQ Hosi, yeah, they just want to play their most comfortable hero. And
Exactly.
Geek Fam, they gave a lot of opportunity for Arky Hoshi for our first game.
Yeah, it's Geek Fam.
Already
is
a
not
lord.
really
Wow.
showing their best
And
performance
even
here.
there's Geek Fam kind of contested though.
The thing is,
Exactly.
I don't know about performance-wise, but they're just completely outclassed
Shut
right
down,
now.
man.
They're outclassed. You know, RRQ, they've been playing every single lane perfectly.
Mhm.
Every single player on RRQ Hoshi, they're doing their part, you know?
Yep. Especially R7 with his Baksha also contributes a lot of that rotation and ganking in the mid lane earlier. And we can see Albert again just free farming and
He's already level 15.
yeah, exactly. And this
Five.
Matilda with Psycho is very.
Alright.
The damage is huge.
At this point, it's literally
Uh-oh.
illegal, right?
Oh
It's 5
my
levels, but look at this.
gosh.
Baby U just gets
Oh.
taken very low, uses the final blow to get out. But look at this. They're trying to do some follow-up damage all the way to R7.
Mhm.
Albert is 5 levels ahead of Baby U.
Yep.
Yes, max level for Albert right
Wow.
now. And look at the RQ Hoshi. They just want to take the objective as soon as possible in our 11 minutes game. And
Exactly.
it's really a pretty fast game
Yeah,
for
it's-
our
it's
first
hard.
match.
It's very fast, and it's probably the most dominant game we've
Oh,
seen so
yikes.
far. But
Yeah.
look at that. Albert gets a kill all the way to bot side. An amazing pick, but look at his glorious
Glorious
pathway being
pathway.
used, circling Eagle all the way to backside. Adam gets
Oh,
taken
this
very
is
low.
it.
Boom. Adam and Sons gets taken low. Legendary
Blitz.
for Albert. He looks at the Tempest of Blades, but now he's looking for the Divine Sword. But the deadly
Oh,
catch will
Skylar!
catch him, and that's going to be a shutdown
Oh.
for Adam. But Skylar, he's in the base. You got to be careful. It doesn't look like they'll be able to defend this, though, as everyone's just going to hit the base. Renvi trying his best. Maybe going to use that knockout strike to do some extra damage.
Uh-huh.
But look at the damage coming in from the Matilda, right?
Yes, the minions
Oh.
comes in as well. And look at the RQ Hoshi. They try so hard to defend,
Oh, yikes.
even to end this
Wow.
game as soon as possible. and
ow.
Psycho.
Psycho gets another kill before the game ends. Renvi trying
Yeah,
his
the
darn hardest to
super
try to
minion
save
is
this game,
coming.
but it looks like the sewer minions are coming. Final blow will be used, and it looks like
Oh
they
my
have
God.
actually defended
Oh.
this game. 3 inhibitor turrets has been used, and Vin uses the glorious pathway as like a red carpet. You know, he's just chilling on that red carpet. R7
Yeah.
here also kind of disrespectful. You know, you already. You don't need to spit on the grave,
Just
all right? They're dead. They're dead.
Just give them some space.
Give them some space, you know?
12K, 11K gold difference. in the-
11K gold lead in
Almost
12
12
minutes,
minutes.
15 to 3, 9
Oh.
turrets to 0.
Next game, please, coming from Geek Fam, I think.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm speechless, you know? It's just such a dominant game coming in from RRQ Hoshi, and you know, a lot of people have been talking about them. Look at this, the Temples of Blaze have been used, but a deadly catch. And Albert! Oh my god, he's just so fast with it. Baby U will be able to get that kill, though. Glorious pathway in the backside will be able to take Zuns away, and Baby U now, the next target, immobilized, gonna take him down. Double kill. Renvi is the next target. They're just gonna diss him like that. That's gonna be game number 1 for RRQ.